What song are we going to sing today?
I've been working on the railroad.
All right, let's get started. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. I've
I've
been
been working
working on
on
the
the
rat
ro-
road
rat road.
all the
Wait, Buzz,
livelong
Buzz, Buzz,
day.
Buzz, Buzz,
I've
Buzz,
been
Buzz.
What?
It's railroad, not rat road. It's railroad, like where a train goes down.
Well, it should be Rat Road. I don't know why you come up with these songs.
How can that?
I've been
Wait.
working
Get
on the
on a
rat
rat
road
road all
all the
the
livelong
livelong day.
day.
I've
I've been
been
working
working
on
on
the
the
rat
rat
road
road.
just to smell my
Uh,
feet
Wait,
today.
Buzz!
What?
Rats! Wait!
Now look,
It's not to
all this
smell your.
nonsense of yours, now
What?
we're right out of time. All right,
But
boys and girls, join us
what?
again next time on
But
Sing
what?
Along with Buzz and my friend Mr. Jim, who never seems to know what song we're supposed to sing today.
Buzz! I did know the song. That's not the lyrics.